Hello friends, myself Professor Dattu Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Last lecture we start our new unit number 4, first order ordinary differential equation, and this is the second lecture of that particular unit, and in this lecture we learn homogeneous differential equation. First thing, what do you mean by homogeneous linear differential equation? That a function f of xy of two variables x and y is called homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y equal to lambda raised to n f of xy for all xy, where n is a real number. First, whatever the differential equation which is given in question, we identify which is homogeneous or not. If differential equation is homogeneous, then that equation which is convert into dy by dx, then first differential equation which is converted into dy by dx, then whatever the highest power of x in this equation which is common and remaining term which is same as. Now assume y equal to vx, then differentiation of that equation which is dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute this value in that equation. Now simplify that equation and convert into variable separable method and solve the example as a variable separable method. These are the steps for solving the homogeneous differential equation. Here, let us start with one example. Example is x cube plus 3xy square dx plus y cube plus 3x square y dy equal to 0. First, identify this one is homogeneous or not. Then whatever the coefficient which is multiplied with dx, that term indicated by m, means that is a function of x and y, then we can write m of xy which is x cube plus 3xy square. Now replace x as a lambda x and y as a lambda y, then m of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda cube x cube plus 3 lambda x lambda square y square. In this equation, lambda cube common, the remaining term x cube plus 3x y square, means we can write lambda cube that is same as m of xy. Similarly, whatever the coefficient which is multiplied with dy, that term indicate by n of xy, then n of xy is equal to y cube plus 3x square y. Now replace x as a lambda x, y as a lambda y, then lambda cube y cube plus 3 lambda square x square lambda into y, lambda cube common, remaining term y cube plus 3 x square y, which is same as n of xy. Then here both term has lambda raised to power which is same, then we can say that which is homogeneous differential equation. This is the step for identify the homogeneous differential equation. We can directly identify which one is homogeneous. At that case, here first term as count of variable which is 3 मतलब x cube. Here count of variable which is x as a power 1 and y as a power 2, then 2 plus 1 which is 3. Here y cube as a 3, here x square into y dash 1 which is 3. If whatever the differential equation which is given in question, each and every term has same number of count of variable, then we can say that given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. That is another method to identify the homogeneous differential equation. Now, first step which is identify, then convert this equation into dy by dx form. Then now convert into dy by dx form. This term goes this side, then minus dy by dx, then x cube plus 3xy square upon y cube plus 3x square y. Now, in this equation, highest power of x which is common, here x cube, then x cube which is common, then minus x cube, here 1 plus 3 y square by x square upon, here also x cube common, then y cube divided by x cube plus 3 y by x cube cancel. In this differential equation, we assume y equal to bx, then v equal to y by x. Differentiate this term, means dy by dx equal to product rule, v as it is, derivative of x which is 1 plus x as it is, derivative of v. This both the value put in equation number 1. Sorry, equation number 1 is this. Then we get here dy by dx place of v plus x dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus 3 y by x which is replaced as a v plus v square upon v cube plus 3v. Now our differential equation which is converted in v and x form. Now simplify this term, then minus 1 plus 3v square upon v cube plus 3v minus v, taking LCM, then minus common 1 plus 3v square minus common, then plus v raised to 4 plus 3v square divided by v cube plus 3v, here x dv by dx, then addition and subtraction of that equation, then 1 plus 6v square plus v raised to 4 divided by v cube plus 3v. Here our differential equation is only v and x variable, then apply separating the variables, means this term goes this side, that term which is in terms of denominator portion into dv dx minus 1 upon x into dx. dv has a form of variable v, dx has a form of variable x, that is a separation of variable. Then here first term multiply and divide with 4. 4 3s are 12v, denominator portion v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 dv equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Then apply integration both sides. Integrate both sides. Then we have equation, denominator portion has function and numerator has its derivative. Denominator has function and derivative of function which is at numerator portion. Then we can write log mod of f of x plus c, which is already used in last lecture as well as 12 science. Then v square has a derivative 4v cube, 6v square has a derivative 12v and 1 0. Then we can write 1 by 4 log v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 equal to minus log x plus log c, which is integrating constant. Now multiply by, first thing, 1 by 4 log v raised to 4 6v square plus 1. Here if according to the properties of logarithm, here log is a subtraction form, then with the help of properties, that is in terms of division form. Now multiply with 4 both sides, then log v raised to 4 6v square plus 1 equal to 4 log c by x. Now according to the properties of logarithm, then this 4 goes to power, then c by x raised to 4, then taking anti-log, then v raised to 4 plus 6v square plus 1 equal to c raised to 4 by x raised to 4. Now replace v in terms of y and x, means v equal to y by x, then y raised to 4, x raised to 4, 6y square by x square plus 1 equal to c raised to 4 by x raised to 4. Taking LCM, then we get y raised to 4 plus 6 y square x square plus x raised to 4 equal to c raised to 4. Here y raised to 4 6y square x square plus x raised to 4 equal to c dash, where c dash equal to c raised to 4. Homogeneous differential example. First steps are, first we identify what homogeneous linear differential equation is present or not. If it is homogeneous differential equation, then whatever the differential equation which is given, that is convert into dy by dx form. Then assume y equal to vx, derivative of that term, substitute the values in this equation. Now our differential equation which is converted in terms of v and x, then separating the variables method, which is already learned in lecture 1 of that unit. Now another example of homogeneous differential equation. Example number 2. X square minus y square dx plus 2xy equal to 0. First, we identify given differential equation is homogeneous or not. Then here first term has total count of variable is 2. Second term has total count of variable is 2. Here x is 1 and y has a power 1. Then count of variable is 2. If whole differential equation has same count of variable, then we can say that which is given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation, which is homogeneous differential equation. Then convert this equation in terms of dy by dx. This term goes this side, then term has a minus, then x square minus y square divided by 2xy. Now highest power of x, which is common. So here x square, then minus x square, which is common, then 1 minus x square by y square upon 2 y by x, which is x square cancel out. Then we assume y equal to vx, means v equal to y by x. Now derivative of this equation, which is dy by dx, v plus x dv by dx. That is equation number 1. Substitute these both values in equation number 1. Then here v plus x dv by dx equal to minus 1 minus v square upon 2v. This v send to opposite side, then we can get x dv by dx minus common, then 1 minus v square minus v, here 2v minus common, then 1 minus v square plus 2v square divided by 2v, then we get 1 plus v square upon 2v. Now here v has only variable v and x. Now separating the variables, dv has a only function of v and dx has a only function of x. Then 2v upon 1 plus v square dv minus 1 upon x dx. That is, we can say that separating the variables. Now apply integration both sides. Then I already explained, denominator portion has a function and numerator has its derivative. Then we can write log of 1 upon v square equal to minus log of x plus log c. Here, according to the properties of logarithm, log has a subtraction form, then it goes to division form. Then we can write 1 plus v square equal to log c by x. Taking antilog, then 1 plus v square equal to c by x. Substitute the v as a y by x. Then y square by x square equal to c by x. Then taking LCM, x square plus y square by x square equal to c by x. X cancel. Then our differential equation is x square plus y. Our solution is x square plus y square equal to cx, where c is an arbitrary constant. Another example is x square minus xy dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0 as a homework.